This is the mighty Mississippi River between Mississippi and Louisiana. We're on the Mississippi side. And this is the Ameristar Casino. It's at the bottom of this beautiful hill, and I can see the casino from here. This is the actual boat that the casino's on. You enter right there. This is amazing. This is the other entrance. Outside the casino they have a Tesla charging station. There's the sign for Ameristar Casino. And this is the Ameristar Hotel. It's right across the street from the casino. And right down the road from the RV park. They have a swimming pool, but it's not open right now. So the side view of the building. Take the room tour. On the left is the bathroom. Picture and shower. Here's the bed. TV. Picture. Have a phone and a light. Over here they have water, mirror, and a desk with a chair. Relaxing chair, table, and we'll take a look outside. Have an American flag up there. Off to the left is the Mississippi and the casino. Have a refrigerator, coffee. They don't have any restaurant open today, but they do have a coffee bar where you can get coffee. This is the Ameristar RV Park. Looks pretty empty today. I see one big RV over there. I see a couple of them over there. Swimming pool. Some more over here. You can see what the lots look like. They seem to have a lot of picnic tables, and looks like each unit gets a picnic table. And here's what a unit looks like. Here's a view from the very back part of the RV park. Looks like this is the main office right by the flag. Over here is the entrance. Here's a view of the RV park from the back. Actually the front. See the pool and the building where they have the office. And if you look way down there, that is the Ameristar Hotel, and you can't see it from here, but off to the right by the bridges over there is the casino. So they're close, but you still have to drive between the three of them. This is a view of the other side of the casino, and this is the parking garage. You can see the sun's overhead. You can't see very well, but at the bridge going across, and there's the mighty Mississippi. Something up there, I'm not sure what it is. It's a fantastic sight out here.